Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make your iPhone say the name of the person calling. Your iPhone can announce who is calling using a built-in setting. This feature uses Siri to speak the caller's name out loud. It's so useful when you can't look at your phone. Now to begin, open your settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps and find and tap Phone. Tap Announce Calls and choose when you want announcements. For example, is always headphones and car or headphones only. Now go back to settings, tap Siri and search. Make sure listen for Hey Siri is enabled. Ensure your volume is turned up. Connect headphones or Bluetooth if using those options. Make sure the caller is saved in your contacts with the name. Test by having someone call you. Adjust announcement settings if needed. Restart your iPhone if it doesn't work initially. Tip: if the caller isn't saved in your contacts, Siri will usually announce the phone number instead of a name. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.